Thank you very much.
Ka nursing job fair bala pynlong macam senam da ka Sorkar Jylla kala long ka kabuk siar ya ki arpinyo ngut ki nurse na Meghalaya kwila poi mentashe Japan ban aya ka jing shakri jongki haki hospital beper ha Japan. Kini ki nurse na Jylla kala yo kini ki kam hadin bakila pendap ya ka jing hikai pentibit ban kren Japanese lingba ka shlem ajing hikai ka company NAVIS ban Bangalore ka blai te alok bat ka Sorkar Jylla. Labun kero hungni ka Sorkar Jylla lingba ka scheme skill Meghalaya kalai te alok pat Southly ki company ban ajing hikai ya ki samla puli ka Jylla haki saptri kam beper pat ka jing hikai ka kentubru ya ka jing nangkren ya ka ktien ka thliet jong ki wei kiri ka perthai ka jing pinyo kam ya ki shakini kiri bekentup ya ka Japan, Singapore, United Kingdom but United Arab Emirates ni UAE. Ka Sorkar Jylla lingba ka ni ka scheme kala baiting ka hadu sanpho hajar tingka marway ya ki samla puli lingba ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society bakin net hikai pentibin. Ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society haringkat ka tanat ka kot ka khia kala penlong ya ka job fair ki nurse hashlong ha ka bahadu 6000 lais pa angut ki nurse kila pendrung kerteng yelade ban shim ya ka jing hikai pentibit ban yo alit chakri shabar kari. Menteri Rang Bak Jylla Konrad K Sangma ubalit dan kam syari Japan ulalit yakindu kerpang yakini ki samla ke Jylla ki belatre kum ki nurse haki hospital keri Japan. Konrad ulai kendu ru yakinong hikai ki badan bentab ha kajing ajing hikai pentibit ha Japan.
Moving on, okay? And be disciplined, always listen to your seniors what they say. Okay? I'm sure you will. I don't have to give you a long lecture on this, but it's my duty to say it. Last year, in the month of May, there was a job fair that we had conducted in Shillong, where our objective was to tie up with different stakeholders and different HR companies to place our nurses in different parts of the world, including in Japan, Singapore, Australia, likewise in different parts of the world. And when this job fair took place, more than 1,300 nurses had attended this job fair, and the government had committed to funding the particular training that was required for these nurses to work in different parts of the world. Today, I'm happy to inform all of you that after 1 year, the efforts that we had started have started to bear fruits, and today we have 27 of our nurses who have got placements in Japan, and 18 of them have got placements in Singapore. And the training program is going on very well, and we expect that in the coming months and the coming years, in fact, many more of our skilled manpower will be given the opportunity to work in different parts of the world.
Kerteng jangan ada yai kerman kadosau, ada nakasnong kli umtro ribuai district Meghalaya. Kajinya lenti jangan nadu nasional hadu bangan dapoi ke Japan kalong kalenti ke bakalan. Oi wala sibun kijing hendrai ublei uladan rekat banga ki bahaya ngasam ki uladan rekat banga ki parlok parajar ki baju ai mesim barabor ki baju long ki hakti kaman ki kadiam ki la penyaj be yang kalenti ba kalong kalenti ka ba sutanat hadu bangan dapoi ko be.
We see that there's a great opportunity. We see that people like you, that will work hard, and we are there to support you.